Can I see the top? Wow, who is that?
Ryan, my favorite character from YouTube.
Awesome.
How do I do this? I see something. I see something. I see something. Whoa, what are these? Let me open one up. We'll each open one up.
Okay.
So I'm going to go first.
Okay.
And I picked that one. It's easier to do it.
You want me to help you?
Here.
I could take off the wrappers for him. You want me to?
You can do each one.
Okay. Let's put this off to the side. Hey, Ryan. You like Ryan?
Yeah, I do. My favorite character from YouTube. If you're watching this, please subscribe right there.
Tell him to subscribe at the link below.
Yeah, subscribe on the link below right there. If you don't like this video, click this one. If you do like this video, click this one. Okay.
I did that one for you, okay?
Whoa.
What is it?
It's Combo, the ultra rare figure.
I love it.
Yes, I was looking for Combo. He's an ultra rare.
Oh, that's an ultra rare?
Yes. Whoa, it flew.
Let me see.
It comes with a little shiny blue chiller.
Awesome.
And Combo. I kind of like Combo because he's green.
Awesome. And green is what?
Light green. It's light green and white.
But green is what? Your favorite color?
Yeah, green is my favorite color.
Awesome.
Okay. Oh, you can
So let's set that one to the side. Oh, he comes apart. That's awesome.
you know you can take it apart and then build it all over again?
Yeah.
Because the builder Ryan on the wrapper. The wrapper's in the trash right now. Look it. It comes with a blue shiny controller.
Next one.
Ooh, putty. Ooh, putty.
Are we going to open it right now or later?
I'm going to open it whenever we finish this.
Okay. Right here. There's two right here. They're open already. I can do it.
Well, I can do it. See?
Okay.
I opened it. Right there.
Yeah.
Like we'll each take a wrapper off and then we'll each open one.
Yeah.
And see what we can. We're going to put it here. Put it in the one who got this. Okay. Whoa. Oh, this is lots of squishies. I see. I know that purple means.
What does that mean? Guess before you open it. What is it?
I think I know.
Who is it?
Because I see a little purple, so I totally know. It's Peck.
Let's see.
Just totally Peck. What does it say? Oh, I was wrong. I was wrong.
Who is it?
I was wrong. It was this guy. What kind of guy is this?
Let me see.
This one.
That looks like a Kung Fu Ryan. Yeah?
This is not Kung Fu Ryan. The one that has a little white bow tie on his head is Kung Fu Ryan.
Oh. That one's awesome.
Hi, I got a big eye. I see you guys.
So why did you get this toy?
Because I really wanted it.
I know, but how did you get it?
I got it from Target.
But was it your birthday?
No, it wasn't, but it is actually my birthday.
And how old are you?
Still 5.
You're 5 years old?
And still.
That's awesome.
Still.
Do you feel older?
I just feel like my regular self.
Okay, well, you got 4 more of these.
And they're all doesn't have wrappers. Okay. Take this one.
What do you think it is?
I already opened it. It's Opal Alexa. He's a gore YouTuber. And Robo Combo. And I already got this one. But look at this is Robo Combo. He's an evil combo.
Oh, wow.
Robo Combo's the evil one.
Oh, wow.
Now I got 3 more.
Yeah.
I hope I get cool stuff. Look it counts like almost kind of like square shape, but it's O shape.
Yeah.
And also from Ryan's World if you can't see this picture. And if you didn't see it, I'm going to show you this again.
Let's open all of them and then we can see all of them one by one, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead, open that one. Open the next one.
But he has green on this figure, and green's my favorite color, and this bright green, so it's my favorite color, so I kind of like this. I got Sheldon! You know who the character is?
Tell me.
Sheldon.
Who is he? What does he do?
He's a little dinosaur, and he's red, and he uses a diaper as a shell.
Oh, wow.
And he's also a red dinosaur.
That's
And
awesome.
he comes with blue stripes.
That's awesome.
Blue shiny. But this is a micro. Let me do them out. Can we get them out?
Yeah. Can I open your next one?
Now you can open the blind max out. Okay. This is Evil Combo, actually, a Robo Combo. And this is Robo Combo.
Here is, what are those?
French fries.
Oh.
Blue French fries.
Awesome. And this is who?
This is Sheldon. See? Sheldon.
Yeah.
Look at his little tail. He's a red dinosaur.
All right, let's put Sheldon here, this one here, this one here,
Oh
your putty
yeah,
here.
like I'm here too.
Yeah, and then,
And the
there you go.
chair here.
And then where's your tattoos?
Tattoo.
Yeah, the tattoos can go here. So that way we can see everything you've gotten in your egg.
This is actually Alpha Lexus sticker, and these are the tattoos.
All right, you got 2 more to open up.
Yes.
Are you so
I wonder what this is. If you couldn't see over here, this is the truck. But it's kind of
Oh, do you want to put the truck right here?
yeah, because
There you go.
all
Put the truck right here.
and stuff is covering the whole mouth, so I think it's awfully perfect.
Go ahead.
Perfect. Yeah.
These are all empty. These are all empty. Okay, go ahead.
You know this is my favorite color because it's green.
Okay, we got 2 more. Let's open them.
No need. Cool, never figure out. Whoa, I've never seen this one before. 2. He's like, wait for it. This guy couldn't video. But it's okay, Tony, you're my van. You'll never slap me. Ooh, what do we have here? Whoa, he got some magical wands. A
Awesome.
blue magical wand.
Yeah.
Fizzy, Wizzy, Bozy, Bob. Let's give it to him. Yay! Now it's going to
You got 1 more to open up.
Let me put this in Como's hand and this hand. There. Okay. But do you know what Kamala's favorite thing is to do?
What?
Play video games.
Really? Oh, is that why he has his headphones?
Yeah, and his controller. Of course he
Awesome.
needs a controller.
Of course he does.
This is, I'm putting him in the
Right
same
here.
one. This thing.
Okay, ready?
This is the last one. I wonder what is going to be inside.
What do you think?
Maybe no ultra rare.
Let's hope it is. Let's hope it's Ryan's Ultra.
No, it's called Ryan's ultra rare.
Ultra rare. Okay.
It's ultra.
Let's go. Go ahead, open it up.
But if you don't know what kind of food I like, it's mac and cheese. Of
Oh,
course.
I know.
I see legs. I see legs. Oh, this is another ultra rare.
That's so awesome.
Another ultra rare. Wait, I can open it. I said I was going to open it
You got it.
because there's little spikes, so I can just slice it open.
We did it. Wow, let's put it in the camera again. It glared.
Yeah, actually,
Ultra rare.
look it. I'm showing phone. Yeah, look.
That's awesome.
Let's put it.
Who is that?
Ryan as a robot. There's two kind of Ryans as robots.
Oh, that's awesome.
Look. Actually, I thought this was a builder figure. So I grabbed it, and this one's black.
All right, so do you want to say what all these things are? Go ahead and put this one right here. Do you want to say what all of them are?
Yes, the Randra toys.
Go ahead and point them all out.
I can't even make this guy hold his sword. I'm trying to push it up, his hands, but I can't push it up. Maybe I just have the That's true. That's true. He got the sword.
Awesome. Go ahead and put it in here. And then name all the parts that you got today.
I got Sheldon. I got Squishy. I don't know what this Ryan is, but he's pretty squishy. He's a squishy toy. Yes. And I got some tattoos and some stickers and some putty. And I got this and this little guy that was kind of cool, and this guy, which is I did at last, and this guy, and this guy,
Alrighty.
and this.
Oh, and the truck, huh? Okay, say thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching.